Hi guys, so see, in this video I just want to be honest with you guys as possible. I know the reason, because the same energy I used in promoting Payoneer to a lot of people to create their foreign bank accounts on Payoneer, me, I am coming here to tell you guys that don't choke. I am done with Payoneer. Like, I am tired. I'm done with Payoneer. The reason is because over a while now, I think for the last 6 months or so, Payoneer have been making their platform unbearable for Nigerians. A lot of people created Payoneer account after watching my tutorial video, and they started complaining that after creating the account, they do not even have opportunity for them to see their bank account details. They tell them to actually credit their account with like $50 or thereabout. And these are new developments. It seems like we have a lot of customers now, so they started misbehaving. And the funny thing is that a lot of people that I also know have been complaining that Payoneer will just disable their account for no reason. And I'm surprised that it has also happened to me. Like, I have not violated any Payoneer policy. The only thing I use Payoneer to do is to receive account from my ClickBank affiliate platform, and that is the only thing. Like, I don't use Payoneer for anything more than that. Let me sign into my Payoneer account. Let me show you guys something. And me personally, I'm fed up. Like, I'm done with the platform, because I cannot continue to work with a platform that I'm not even certain that they will not change their policies tomorrow. My money is not protected. Everything that is there is just upside down, right? So for a period, I've not been using my Payoneer account because I stopped temporarily promoting products on ClickBank. So I started promoting again, and I got like a $9 that was supposed to be credited to my ClickBank account. You can see majority of the transactions on this Payoneer account are from ClickBank. If I click this one, it was supposed to be like a $9 transaction. Look at it in this place, right? And the money was reversed because guess what? Payoneer blocked my account balance. So look at it, balance blocked. Now thank God that I had moved all my money to gray. So all the money that was there, I moved it to my gray account, and the next thing, Payoneer blocked my balance, which means I cannot receive money again. My euros account balance blocked, my Great Britain pounds account balance blocked, my Canada account, every account balance blocked. And the funny thing is that I don't even know why. Like, it doesn't even make any sense to me, because I have not done any transaction, apart from using it on my ClickBank, which is allowed. I have not had any issue whatsoever. I've not violated any Payoneer policy. I had to write them, I wrote them. I've not gotten any tangible feedback, and I realized that a lot of people are complaining about the same thing. I don't know why they chose to block the account. I don't know. The reason is best known to them. But me personally, I've decided to update you guys that with the way Payoneer is going, as far as I'm concerned, I have to start looking for alternatives. And for me, I've decided to use another platform. I know of like 2 platforms that we can use that is an alternative to Payoneer, but I'm going to talk about them in my next video. This video, I just want to update you guys to show you guys the reality of ground. So those of you that have been commenting in my video that you have been having this issue with Payoneer, you have been having that issue with Payoneer, and I've been trying to help you guys solve it. Even me myself now that is solving people's problem, I have an issue with Payoneer and I'm stuck, so in a situation like this, Payoneer is not the only platform you can create foreign bank accounts. There are many platforms that have reason that you can create foreign bank accounts, and I'm going to be showing you guys other platforms you can use as alternative. For me, for this particular issue, I've created an alternative platform that I'm using to receive my money now from my affiliate platform, and for other stuff I'm doing online, so for those of you that are having this kind of issue with Payoneer, if you are able to resolve it, you can leave that in the comment section for others that might be having this problem too. Maybe I can learn from the way you resolve it. But for those of you that have not been able to resolve it, you can take the step I took to look for an alternative platform that you can use to start doing your transaction that can provide you foreign bank accounts like Payoneer. The alternative platform, one of them is Grey.co. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys the platform I'm now using for my transaction to receive money on Payoneer, since Payoneer have decided to start messing up. So officially, I'm done with Payoneer because number one, they just change their policies anyhow and anytime. They do not even have regard for their customers. Number two, it seems like there's this victimization of Nigerians on every financial platform. I don't know, for reasons best known to them, because a lot of Nigerians have been complaining the kind of stress they allow them pass through when they want to create accounts on these platforms. So I think as a Nigerian, these guys, they do not have my interest at heart, So I'm done with them. Number three, The reason I am not using Payoneer anymore is that I have an alternative platform that I can actually use that will give me the same service that Payoneer is offering. And number 4, they have very poor customer representative, whatever. Like, their customer care is terrible. You can send them a mail and they'll just ignore your mail. Like, no explanation, no prompt feedback, and all those kind of stuff. So as a business person that is also giving value on their platform, for every transaction I do, they remove their charges. I cannot continue to spend my time on a platform that they are making money from me whichever way, and they are not giving me optimum service. So because of that, I have to look for alternatives, and these are the reasons I'm leaving Payoneer. That doesn't mean that you cannot create a Payoneer account if you want to. You can still go ahead and create Payoneer accounts, just like the way I introduced Payoneer to a lot of people, tons of people that are following my platform, that seen my videos because of me, they created Payoneer accounts. In the same way, I'm trying to update you guys that me, for now, I don't wash my hands cover for Payoneer matter. And if for any reason I decide to go back, or I have a change of mind, I'm still going to let you guys know, you know. But then it's just honest for me to give you guys the update that me and Payoneer, we are no longer in a relationship. It's becoming toxic and it's not favorable to me. And then in my next video, I'm going to show you an account that you can use as alternative to Payoneer. I've always had that account. I've made a video on it, how to create the account, but this one can work, you know, as alternative to Payoneer. That is the summary of my story. I will not lie, this thing pay me enter my blood, but it's one of those things, and that is what majority of Nigerians face. There are many factors for all these kind of things, but then a lot of innocent people are suffering for things they don't know about. And unfortunately, I'm a victim of Payoneer's nonsense. So I love you guys. I hope to see you in my next video, and I have to go for now. In my next video, I'm going to talk about an alternative platform to Payoneer, right? In fact, 2 alternatives. One of them I use, so I'm going to let you guys know about that one. And the second one, I've heard about it, a lot of reviews. In fact, somebody still told me about that platform today, so I'm going to talk about that one in my next video. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out.